Okay, so if we want to further modify our part or drawing, so we have here a one given guide. So for example here, so if you want to change the value of A, so this A is the diagonal distance from this circle, so from the first drawing. So we want to change it into 55 millimeters distance. So we can edit our drawings with the same drawing and the value of C. So instead of 15, we will set this into 20 degrees, and the value of B, which is the thickness of this one, we'll make it 30 instead of 26.5. So let's check with this modification. So from the same drawing that I have, I can go for modification on my sketch one. So on my Features Manager Design 3, I can expand this boss extrude one on my sketch and edit sketch. Select edit sketch. Press Ctrl 8 to make it normal. So from here, you can just double click this dimension. Instead of 15, make it 20, 20, and then you have here this distance. So instead of 49, we need to change it into 55. Okay, 55 millimeters distance. Select the screen check mark and the thickness. Okay, so from here, we just exit the sketch and boss extrude, edit feature. Okay, edit feature. Then instead of 26.5, we will make it as 30. Enter 30 millimeters thickness. Select the screen check mark. And that's it for the first modification. That's the first modification. So it's done. And there is a cut here. Okay. So partially, we need to remove some portion, the part. Remove the material from here. So this is the given dimension. So we need to offset this profile or sketch by 2 millimeters. Okay, by 2 millimeters, and there is a distance of 2 millimeters from this cut on the middle. Okay, with 5 degrees tapered. Okay, 5 degrees tapered inside. So first from here, you can go for sketch. So Control 8, become normal 2. Then we need to convert this entities. So convert entities, this face. Okay. And then select the screen check mark. So it is here. Now we need to offset this one, offset entities by 2 millimeters. This. So select inside, okay, then reverse. Select reverse. So this is 2 millimeters. Select the screen check mark. And you have it inside, okay. Now go for features, extruded cut. We can select our contours, selected contours, select this one, okay. Select this region so that it will be cut inside. Also this circle. So both this region are selected. So region 1 and region 2, inside part and this circle. And then we need to analyze how much is the cut, the depth of cut. Okay, so that distance. And this tapered side given, so this is called as draft. Okay, so the draft. So it's given here on the problem, a 5 degrees draft. 5 degrees. So you can just type here 5, enter. And we need to analyze this distance. How much the depth of cut. So remember, this one is 30. So the middle is 15. The middle is 15. The middle is 15. So from here, so from the previous drawing, This cut is how much? So this is 12.5. So 12.5, the middle of this is 6.25. From 6.25, they need a 2 millimeters offset. Okay. So from 6.25, we'll make it as a 8.25. Okay, 8.25 plus 15. So 8.25 plus 15. So 8.25 plus 15. So 23.25. So from 30, which is the thickness given. So from the 30, we need to subtract this 23.5. So 30 minus 23.5 is equal to 6.75. So we need to give a depth of 6.75. Press enter, select the screen check mark, and that's it. Okay, that's it. So from here, you can see that some of the material are removed, and we edit some of the features here. So from here, with the same material AASI 1020, no need to change the material. You can go for evaluate mass properties. So mass properties with 2 decimal places with this one. So this is just an example, okay? So this is just an example. So you can change the material. For example, I want to make it a titanium alloy with a different density. So you can apply, close, and find the mass properties. So it is changing, okay? It is changing. This is how you create the drawing.